Hello all English learners, I've come back with another video, and here in this video we're going to read another interesting story, and this story is also a moral story. So this story is going to be very fun, and by reading the story you are going to come to know the meaning of a lot of new words, which is definitely going to improve your vocabulary and improve your reading and listening skills as well. So I want you to watch the video till the end जिससे कि आप इस वीडियो का पूरा लाभ उठा पाए. So let's start the video. So the title of the video is The Man Who Never Lied. एक इंसान जिसने कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोला. This is the man we are talking about here. Once upon a time there lived a wise man by the name of Mamat. एक समय की बात है. Once upon a time that means एक समय की बात है. There lived a wise man. एक wise man रहता था. Wise man that means बहुत ही intelligent man by the name of Mamat, जिसका नाम था Mamat. He never lied. वो कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता था. All the people in the land, even the ones who lived 20 days away, knew about him. उस लैंड के सारे लोग, even यहाँ तक कि even the ones वो लोग भी who lived 20 days away, जो उनसे 24 दिन दूर रहता था. That means बहुत दूर रहने वाले लोग भी उसके बारे में जानते थे. The king heard about Mamat. Here you can see the king here. He also heard about Mamat, this man, and ordered his subjects, subjects means प्रजा, to bring him to the palace. King ने order किया उसकी प्रजा को कि उसे ले आओ मेरे महल पर. किसको? Mamat को. After that, the subjects of the king brought this man to him. He looked at the wise man and asked. उसने wise man की तरफ देखा और उसको पूछा, Mamat, is it true that you have never lied? क्या ये true है Mamat कि तुमने कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोला? Mamat then replied to him, It's true. Yes, ये सच है. And you will never lie in your life? क्या तुम कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलोगे जिंदगी में? I'm sure about that. मैं उस बारे में sure हूँ. Mamat was very confident about that he's never gonna lie in his life. But here you can see the face of the king. That means he's just planning to do something here. Okay, tell the truth, but be careful. The lie is cunning and it gets on your tongue easily. Okay, सच बोलो, but be careful. लेकिन सतर्क रहना. The lie is cunning. Lie बहुत ही, झूठ बहुत ही चालाक है. Cunning means चालाक, and it gets on your tongue easily. और ये तुम्हारी जुबान पर बहुत ही आसानी से आ जाता है. Several days passed. बहुत दिनों बीत गए. And the king called Mamat once again. और king ने Mamat को फिर से बुलाया. There was a big crowd. Big crowd that means बहुत सारे लोग. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग थे. The king was about to go hunting. King शिकार पर जाने वाला था. The king held his horse by the mane. His left foot was already on the stirrup. King ने अपने horse को अपने केसर से पकड़ा. Kesars means the hair. Alright, the hair situated in this place is called mane. उसने mane पर horse के बालों पर पकड़ा. His left foot was already on the stirrup. उसकी left foot, here you can see the left foot here was already on the stirrup. That means where a person gets on the top of the horse, that place. जहाँ से एक इंसान घोड़े के ऊपर चढ़ता है, उस place को हम stirrup बोलते हैं. He ordered Mamat. उसने Mamat को order किया. Go to my summer palace and tell the queen I will be with her for lunch. तुम मेरे summer palace पर जाओ और मेरी queen को बोलो कि मैं उसके साथ lunch करूँगा. Tell her to prepare a big feast. उसको बोलो कि बहुत बड़ा एक भोजन का आयोजन करे. Feast means भोजन. You will have lunch with me then. और तुम भी मेरे साथ लंच करोगे. Mamad bowed down and went to the queen. Mamad ने अपना सर झुकाया and went to the queen. Queen की वहाँ पर गया. Then the king laughed and said. उसके बाद king राजा ने, here you can see he is smiling here cunningly. So उसने हंसने लगा और बोला, we won't go hunting and now Mamad will lie to the queen. हम शिकार पर नहीं जाएंगे and Mamad क्वीन को झूठ बोलेगा. Tomorrow we will laugh at his behalf. हम उसके ऊपर हंसेंगे कल. But the wise Mamad went to the palace and said, but this person was very wise, even wiser than the king himself. उसने क्या किया? उसने पैलेस पर गया और बोला, maybe you should prepare a big feast for lunch tomorrow. हो सकता है आपको करनी चाहिए एक बड़ा भोजन का आयोजन लंच के लिए. Here Mamad is not telling lie. Here he is not sure. He is not sure that king will come or not. That's why he is using here maybe. हो सकता है. And maybe you shouldn't. हो सकता है आप ना करें और करना आपको नहीं चाहिए. Maybe the king will come by noon. हो सकता है राजा नून तक आ जाए, दोपहर तक आ जाए. And maybe he won't. हो सकता है कि वो नहीं आए. Tell me, will he come or won't he? asked the queen. Queen was kinda confused. That's why he asked Mamad. Tell me, just be sure, will he come or not? क्या वो आएगा या फिर नहीं? I don't know whether he put his right foot on the stirrup. मुझे पता नहीं कि उसने अपना राइट फुट स्टिरअप पर रखा था या फिर नहीं. और पुट हिज लेफ्ट फुट ऑन द ग्राउंड आफ्टर ही लेफ्ट. और मुझे ये भी पता नहीं कि उसका जो बाया पैर था वो ज़मीन पर था या फिर नहीं. दैट मीन्स Mamad इज जस्ट ऑलरेडी सेइंग व्हाट ही सॉ इन दैट प्लेस विथ हिज ओन आइज. एवरीबॉडी वेटेड फॉर द किंग. सभी वेट कर किए थे क्वीन के लिए. He came the next day and said to the queen. वो किंग उस दिन नहीं आया और उसने अगले दिन आया और क्वीन को बोला, The wise Mamad who never lies lied to you yesterday. वो बुद्धिमान Mamad जो कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता लेकिन उसने तुम्हें झूठ बोला yesterday. He is here, you can see he is very confident. That's why he is laughing. But the queen told him about the words of Mamad. लेकिन क्वीन ने Mamad की असली बातें बताई जो Mamad ने उसको कहा था. And the king realized that the wise man never lies. और कोई किंग ने रियलाइज किया, मतलब उसे समझ में आया कि वो वाइज मैन कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता. And says only that which he saw with his own eyes. And वो वही बोलता है जो उसने अपनी आंखों से खुद देखता है. So this is the moral of the story here. Whatever you see with your own eyes, just believe on that. Otherwise, don't believe. Or just tell the things that you have seen by yourself. So this is the moral of the story. I hope you like the story. And if you like the story, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. और मैं मिलूँगा आपके साथ next video पर. तब तक के लिए bye bye and take care.